So, dear students, today you are going to see the marine materials. So, the marine materials, so all the object, all the product that will be manufactured by the materials only. Okay. So, actually, you have to start from the Stone Age to material age. So, in between, there is so many development has happened. So, even the Egypt also, when you are comparing, no, there also they use the metal. That means before BC, the people are use the material, the application of the material in terms of metal, in terms of the metal. So there is a lot of evolution is taking place for the so many centuries. So the material is still it is under developing, and then new materials you are processing, and then you are getting the new material. That new material is having so many applications. So here the general classification of the material, which will be having material science. Here it will be having a metallurgy and materials. So the metallurgy, which is nothing but the study of the physical property or the physical structure, and then the physical property, and then the deformation behavior, and also the chemical property, corrosion. These are all coming under this metallurgy. So the material engineering, the material how that can be processed in various methods. Example, extraction, and then casting, metal forming, welding, and then powder metallurgy and machining. The material which is having the lot of application. So whereas you can see the example, for example, you take in the 19 or what you say 1894. That means the transport evolution. So previously you are used a road transport using a bullock or maybe a horse. So it will be having a two wheel, and then there may be a small frame where used, and then you are transported. You are moved from one place to another place. And also by 1890 you had a copper, bronze, iron, steel, aluminium, and rubber. In addition to there is a wood. Previously you are used only the wood, but whereas maybe the copper, bronze may be used for some vessels and then something, but whereas for engineering application after 1819 only you got some series of application. Okay, so there is a lot of innovation take place in the transport. That's what I told. Say for example the bullock cart and then the horse cart, which can be transport from one place to another place. And then the Ford is invented the car in 1910. The first what you say the automobile for using passenger. Okay, so that is a material evolution. The engine, how the engine is developed, how the steam engine, how the steam engine will be, how it can be manufactured. That means going by the casting. What is the material they are used? So think of that one. And then next one is they are introduced in 1962. And then now present days you see there is a lot of evolution in the transport. That means using the car, and then all transport, even bus, and also aircraft, and then helicopter, and then ship. For example, for you there is a huge size ship that can be also built using the material invention. Okay, so nowadays they are using the fiber reinforced composite material to fabricate the ship. That may be having a very advantage in the navigation system. So now you can say we all you know that cell phones. The cell phone, now you are using the gadgets, cell phone. Example, no, all Android phone that and the touch screen. Okay, so the display, what you call it is relies upon the combination of the liquid crystal display and touch the screen for communication with the device. Okay, so that touch screen is made from a conductive but the transparent material. So it is a indium tin oxide. You heard about that? Or it is a indium tin oxide. Over the iPhone, you are having a transparency and also touching. But even though you are touching with the n number of times, maybe 10,000 times, 20,000, it is not getting any deformation. So it is made up of indium tin oxide and having a ceramic conductor. And also imagine the integrated circuit which are built inside the iPhone. The integrated circuits will be having playing a major role to do the process. So the billions of individual transistors, all of very relay, precise control, and also the semiconductor material, silicon. So all will be the material. And also there is an interconnect that provides the link between the components are made up of copper. And then for high speed and efficiency, and then wireless, the microwave circuit needs capacitor, which are ceramic insulator, whose structure and the composition is carefully controlled to optimize the capture. Battery, you know that lithium ion battery. Now we are talking about the lithium ion battery. It is a material. The application, you have to see how that lithium ion battery is working. And also the headphone. Most headphone use modern magnetic material, which whose structure and composition has been developed to produce very strong permanent magnet. A small amount of magnet you are putting on the ear, and then you are listening the sound. So, and also this is a part of a transducer, and then turn electrical signal into sound. So these are all what you call, it is happening within the last 30 years. There is a drastic development in the material. Now you are saying the Vande Bharat train. So it is individually built by the Indian ICF coach. You say that previously you are depending on the other countries. You are asking for bullet train. So, but now individually you are developed the passenger vehicle train, Vande Bharat train. You see all it is happening because of the material development, material evolution. And also even you see the bus, and then the car, automobile, two-wheeler, everything, everywhere. Not only for finding the whole application will be, so the product will be done by the material. So the materials involves or play a major role to have the significant effect on the product. So here some heat treatment process. The heat treatment process is used to enhance the material property. So you can get the different properties based on the heat treatment. Okay, so after this I am stopping. So you will continue in the next class. Thank you.